phone. Okay, no worries at all. It's interesting just to see where the signal gets to. And yeah, no, you're coming in really well. No problems whatsoever. That's no worries at all. I'm actually just taking some video here. It's a bit Mickey Mouse because I've only got one hand to do it, but I thought I might take some video and whack it up on YouTube so you can at least have a look at it and see what you sound like here in Geelong there, Paul. Back to you. Okay,
Yeah, very good, Craig. Well, believe it or not, you must have had the same thought as me, because I haven't had a chance because I've been working a little bit of a pile-up. It tends to go a bit crazy for the first 15 minutes when you call SOTA and it slows down. So I decided to have a little bit of a hunt around the band, so I've got the iPhone out filming the QSO as well. So there you go, mate. But there was a VK2 in there calling you as well, mate, so I'll leave it with you. And I'll have a look around the band again, and then I'll go back up to around 7095 and start calling CQ SOTA again, mate. But terrific signal and great to work here, Craig. VK3 CRG portable, VK5 PAS portable. Cheers.
No worries at all there, Paul. Yeah, really good to hear. And I'll put this up on my YouTube account tonight when I get home. The YouTube account's just my call sign. So if you want to have a look what you sound like in Geelong, portable from your portable location, by all means look it up. It will be the last video or the newest video on my YouTube account. Good luck with it, Paul. It's sounding great. Good on you for getting off your backside and getting out there and getting up on the summits and all that. I must get into that. I'm actually, I've just been a bit lazy going portable. I haven't done it for ages, and I just thought, I'm going to do it today. Bugger it. And I'm glad I did. I'm having lots of fun. Thanks, Paul. We'll catch up again sometime on air, no doubt. And yeah, really good to talk to you. As I said, look it up tonight on my YouTube account, VK3CRG. VK5 PAS portable, VK3CRG, and QRZ the station on the side. This is VK3 Charlie.
VK5 PAS. Glad to catch you there, Paul. I believe you were here a few minutes ago, and I thought you'd packed up and come home there, mate. Over.
No, I'm here, mate, and VK5 KFB. Just stand by if you can hear me. I've just in QSO with a VK3 SOTA station. No, I'm here, Marshall. I've been listening for a little while. I've just come back onto the frequency. I just, the pile-up sort of finished, so I went up the band and I worked Craig. I just wanted to get Craig VK3 CRG in the log as well. He was portable. And mate, vicious QSB, you Q5 all of the time, but mate, you're ranging anywhere from about a 5 and 1 up to a 5 and 7. 5 and 1 to 5 and 7, Marshall. So I can imagine what number you'd probably like for the log, mate, QSL.
I'll take the 5 and 7 and understand that I've got pretty low QSB on my signal. Mate, you're about a 5 and 3 at the best, and half the time you're not even registering, but I can hear every word as clear as a bell. So strange conditions there, Paul, but no problem. What summit are you on there, mate? Because I've moved once again. If you're chasing, I'm now on Pretty Sally, which is VK3 Victor Charlie 034. It'll be the last one for today there, Paul. Over.
Roger, Marshall. 034, Victor Charlie 034. And, mate, I'm on Victor Kilo 5, Sierra Echo 002. Sierra Echo 002, mate, which is Mount Cone. It's Charlie Oscar November Echo, north of Burra, Marshall, QSL.
Yeah, QSL there, Paul. Terrific, mate. You're my first summit to summit on this summit today. The first one was a ripper this morning. And I also activated Mount Cobor earlier. That's VK5 SC002. Yep, no worries there, Ian. Got that. And let me just confirm the call sign. Is it Tango Zulu on the end there, mate? Over.
Charlie Zulu, VK5 Charlie Zulu.
Yeah, QSL. I thought it was. I just wanted to make sure. No, that's fine. Well, thanks for coming up and giving us a shout. I know you're up on 20 metres earlier today doing CW. I did see you spotted there when I was up on Mount Macedon earlier. So how did you go with that there, Ian? Over?
I didn't get any CW on 20 this morning. I talked with, I better get this right, Andrew, was it? VK1NAM. He came up and talked to me on sideband on 20 metres. But there's quite a few European DX stations on 20 sideband at the moment. It's really quite difficult to find a clear spot. I got a Belgium station, Austrian, possibly, Oscar November station on CW just a moment ago. But it may still be a little bit early for the Europeans yet. Maybe in another half an hour to an hour's time, a few more will be out of bed. Over.
Name is David. And likewise, I'll give you a report on the next over. VK3 MRG, VK5 Cacti. Yeah, fine there, David. I've got you a 5 and 1, mate. Very, you're hardly even moving the meter. However, I can hear every word, a lot louder than the last. So a 5 and 1 to you there, David, over. Yeah, QSL 5-1, you're 53. And, as I say, we're in the Scott Creek Conservation Park now. I think you're Summit somewhere, I'm not sure. FT817 to a vertical VK5 KC listening. Yeah, fine there, David. All understood. We're almost running the same...
PAS portable QRP.
Yeah, VK5 PAS at L2ASH. Yeah, fine business there, Paul. You're not particularly strong here. You're fluctuating though. Anywhere between a 5 and a strength. It's readability 5 most of the time. But yeah, and you're fluctuating between a 5 and a 7. But that would be par for the course. I mean, conditions into Australia on 20 metres haven't been that great lately. So I'm quite surprised that I could hear you. But you're a good Q5 copy, but fluctuating up and down between a 7, a 5 and a 7, Paul. It's really nice to hear you. And I was quite surprised that you were really quite strong, considering the fact, as I said, that the conditions into VK5 have not been particularly great on 20 metres in the last few weeks. So that's good news.
VK5 Papa Alpha Sierra portable.
Yeah, Roger there, Paul. It's amazing. With your 5 watts QRP, you're 56. You're 56 into Almeria, 5 and 6. And okay, I'm doing the Summit on the Air business. Yeah, I know a G station that there's an awful lot of SOTA. It's G0 Victoria Whiskey Papa. That's Golf 0 Victoria Whiskey Papa Terry. He does an awful lot on that, and fine business. I don't know whether it'll ever work you or not, but he's always active on that one. Anyway, good luck with the activity there. And okay on being up on the summit, so I'll put it back to you, I'll let you put it back to Brian. So great QSL, Paul. Name here is Dave, Delta Alpha Victor Echo. I want to make sure I got your call right. It's Victor Kilo number 5, Papa Alpha Sierra, and you are QRP and portable, is that correct?
Roger, Dave. QSL. I'm on the top of a SOTA summit. I'm on the top of a Summits on the Air, a SOTA summit in VK5, QSL.
Roger that. You're about a 5.1 to a 5.2 here in Southern California. I'm running 1500 watts in a 3-element tri-bander pointed your direction. You are my first VK5 station ever, so thank you for that. I appreciate that, Paul. Portable QRP, WA4JUK, returning. Fine business. Good copy. You're 55, Paul. And we're reading you 57, but very Q5 copy. Good copy. Handle here is Joe, Juliet, Oscar, Easy. Handle is Joe. Located in Virginia, East Coast, USA. Just wondering, curious, we're running about 400 watts to a 3-element tri-bander, and you're coming in very well. I'm wondering what kind of an antenna you're using at your location. WA4JUK standing by.
QSL, Joe, WA4JUK, VK5 PAS portable QRP. 5 watts is the power here, Joe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 watts. And the antenna is a 20-metre dipole. A 20-metre dipole. And it's about 7 metres off of the ground. 7 metres off of the ground. Inverted V. WA4JUK VK5PAS portable QRP.
VK5PAS WA4JUK. Fine business all the way on that one. Really outstanding.
That's all right. So I was the one that put him on the cluster. So we thought we'd sit there and have a bit of a listen, but you've got a great signal here in the VK7 QRP. Nearly as strong as I've ever heard, Paul. So height is might, isn't it, up on top of them hills, go ahead.
Yeah, roger mate, yeah. What's your call sign? I'm sorry, I'll put it in my log. I'm VK5 Charlie Zulu, over.
Yeah, rightio, we've worked before. The call was VK7 November Echo Tango, and you got my name as Wayne.
Yeah, good day there, Wayne. Oh, you're a nice signal here. I just jumped on Paul's radio. He's having a little wander around and shoot a bit of video. I've been down the hill a little further there, and I was a bit early for the Europeans to be out of bed. I was on CW, but managed to work a couple. So we swapped bands. I went to 40 and got a few 40 metre contacts to activate the summit. Yeah, roger mate. I've got the 897 batteries because I'll have an 897 in the shack at home.
For getting up there and doing it. Outstanding. Okay, well, we'll talk to you again, Paul, and I know there's another braking station there, so I think we've done the rounds, haven't we? Hang on, I'll just put it back to Greg. I'm losing track here. Go ahead there, Greg. Is it ready to get a shot over?
I might have gone up to get a beer, I think, guys. Paul, you're a bit late, mate. Greg's already having his third beer, so we're already having beer o'clock here. But, please stand by, Paul. We'll call in the cellar breaker. The VK4 braking station, QRZ. This is VK4KUS in Harvey Bay.
Yeah, roger there.